how to make money on Snapchat Spotlight in 2025. So there's a huge thing that you need to keep in mind. On the February 1st, 2025, Snapchat has officially permanently retired the old reward program where anyone with 1,000 followers could randomly get paid for a viral clip. So they have completely replaced it with an unfiled Snapchat creator monetization program. So for that, there are a lot of strict rules that Snapchat has set. The first one being followers count should at least have 50,000 followers on your public profile. The second one is verification. You must be verified as an official Snap star, which is the app's public figure status. The another thing is the 28-day engagement test. You must hit at least one of these metrics with the last 28 days. The first one being 1 million Snap views, 10 million total Snap views, and 12,000 hours of view time. For the another rule, we have the consistency rule. You must post to a public story or spotlight on at least 10 separate days in the last 28 days and publish a total of at least 25 posts per month. And for the age limit, you should at least be 18 years old or the legal age of the majority in your region. So if you do meet all of these criteria that Snapchat has put, then only you'll be able to get paid on your Snapchat. So in here, how you can set up. So unlike other platforms where you apply via a static button, Snapchat sweeps eligibility account and send automated in-app notification and email verification when you cross all of the criterias. So once you get approved, the payouts are handled inside a unique internal dashboard. So in order to check that out, what you can do is simply open your Snapchat and in here simply tap on your profile right here. After doing that, simply tap on your settings right here. After doing that here, you'll need to locate the Financial Commander Center. I don't think I have that because like I said, my account do not meet that requirement. So if your account do meet that requirement, you will be getting that option called the Financial Command Center. All you need to do is tap on that and then scroll down until you find the My Crystals. Then tap on that one, and in order to cash out, the app will redirect you to configure a secure third-party payment profile, which most likely is Hyperwallet, and you will need to submit your tax information and upload a government-issued photo ID to confirm your age. And after doing all of these, I think it will be sent via your bank account or your PayPal profile. And that's it. This is how you can get paid on Snapchat.